In this video, I'll show you how to set up a passphrase account in your Ledger device, sometimes known as a secret account. What this does is it adds one extra word onto your seed phrase. If you've set up your Ledger already, you've got the seed phrase, right? And that's your set of wallets. What we can do is add one extra word onto the end. This creates a brand new set of wallets and private keys that cannot be accessed via the original 24 words that you got given. The reason for doing this, Ledger have said, is that your original wallet can act as a decoy. If you get attacked, you can reveal your seed phrase, you can give them it and say, look, this is the seed phrase to the wallet, this is all the money on here. And that can be a decoy during the attack. Now, the extra word that you add on, that can't be accessed by those words. So you've got a secret wallet where your actual money is. Now, we can set this up. However, this your private keys and the seed phrase are not stored on the device. And so this is really important to make sure that that extra word is somewhere safe and you don't forget it, because if you do, you can't access it again without putting it in. So it's really important that you remember it, leave it somewhere safe and completely separate from the original setup. So this Bitcoin passphrase here, we can go and add it to our device. So I'll show you how to do that. I set my passphrase up on my Ledger Nano X. So to get into the control center, I press both buttons. If you've got a touchscreen device, just get into the control center, go to settings, security, and then go to passphrase, click that. It takes you through this warning, and then you want to set up the passphrase, so click that, and you have two options. You can attach your passphrase. This is the one word that we're going to add. You can attach this to its own PIN number if you want, its own separate PIN number, which is separate from the one that you use to get your existing accounts. So you can set up a brand new PIN number if you want, so you can do that, or you can set a temporary PIN number. This just lets you into adding the extra word. And then when you turn your device off, that's all wiped from this device. In order to get back into that word and be able to manipulate those accounts, you just come back into the settings here, click set temporary again, add in the word that you added, and then it will let you back into your different accounts with this extra passphrase word. So it's up to you if you want an extra PIN as well, a separate PIN you can do. For ease, you may just want to set temporary PIN so that when it's all wiped, you just have to remember this one word and not an extra word and an extra PIN. So I press set temporary. It says passphrase will be cleared on power off. So when you power off the device, this new word that you added, you won't be able to automatically access it. You'll have to go in to add it again, and then you can access it. This is obviously the security feature, because if someone breaks into your existing seed phrase, then you don't want them getting access to this new passphrase as well, right? So we're going to go through, we're going to set up the passphrase. You can put whatever you want here, right? So make it as easy or as complex as you need, but just make sure that this passphrase, you don't forget it. And if you are storing it, store it completely separate from your other passphrases, because if someone has this, then they're going to be able to get access to it as well in the future. So enter that passphrase. I did, confirmed it with the current PIN. So I'm not setting a PIN for this passphrase. So I'm just going to use my existing PIN to get into the device. So I did that. Passphrase set. Then what we need to do is add an account for this extra wallet that we've just set up. So it's got its own keys, it's completely separate, and we need to make sure that we add accounts to this separate passphrase. So make sure that you have the accounts on your Ledger device that you want to set up accounts for. If you just set up the accounts and you don't have the apps, it will do it automatically for you. Once you've set up your passphrase and your new word, you are now in your new wallets with your new seed phrase and your new private keys. And what you can do now is set up accounts with those new private keys in Ledger Live, now known as Ledger Wallet. So go to accounts and you want to add an account here. Now the main thing here is don't let your device turn off, because the whole point of the new passphrase is that that is a secret account which kind of wipes itself from your device when it turns off so that it can't be accessed. So if the device turns off and you enter your PIN number to get into the device again, you're only getting into your old wallets without the new passphrase. In order to reload your new wallets again with your new passphrase, go to settings, security, add passphrase, and then enter in the passphrase that you've just added, and then it will get into that new passphrase wallet and you can manipulate it. But if you don't do that, then you'll be manipulating the old wallet. So make sure your device doesn't turn off, or if it does, make sure you go into the passphrase section, add the word in again so that you're manipulating the secret wallets. So from here, what we want to do is press add account, choose whichever crypto, let's say Bitcoin, just add your account right here, no problem, right? Now, when you're adding accounts here, it's going to be using your passphrase private keys, right? The secret accounts. And you can see that I added a Bitcoin account right here and I renamed it Bitcoin passphrase. To show that this is secret, I've turned off my device and I just put the PIN number in to get back into it. That means that it's forgotten those other secret accounts. So I'm now manipulating my old wallet, my existing wallet. So if I go into Bitcoin passphrase, I've got the Bitcoin app open, so I should be able to get a deposit address and receive. But if I press receive for this account and press continue, I'm in the Bitcoin app, and what it says is something went wrong. The reason being is that I turned off the device forgot those new private keys, and I logged into my old seed phrase, which cannot manipulate this account. So what I need to do is go into settings, security, add passphrase, then I can get into the secret account, then I can get the deposit address for this secret account. So if you want to remove this from Ledger Live in case someone logs into Ledger Live and it's saying, look, you've got a balance here, you can of course just click this one, go to the top right, click settings, and then remove it from portfolio. That doesn't remove the account from Ledger. That will never move the account. It just removes the account from this app so you can't see it anymore. And that means that it's completely secret now. And the only way you can gain access to this, to either get your deposit address or to send funds out in the future, is via logging into your ledger with the existing 24 words plus that new word. And if no one knows that new word, then they can't gain access to it. Make sure you don't lose that word, because if you don't have it, you'll never be able to gain access to them again, because even if the device turns off and you enter the PIN, it goes into your old accounts and not your new secret account. Please make sure you're confident when adding this account, because if you lose the details or the word to your passphrase account, then obviously there's a big issue. So test it out first with smaller amounts, and I'll leave the full Ledger video guide down in the description below for you. I'm James with Money's EG. Cheers for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.